these are complex fraction. It's a fraction over a fraction. I'm going to show you how to simplify these. The first thing is you have to identify where your fraction bar is. So my fraction bar, let me just go ahead and do each one of these so I can, okay, there are the fraction bars. So you want to treat numerator and denominator separately. So I'm going to make this 2 over 1 plus 9 over 4 because I'm going to add those together, and I might add fractions a little bit differently than what you're used to. I multiply the bottom. 1 times 4 is 4. I cross multiply the top. 2 times 4 is 8, plus sign in the middle. 9 times 1 is 9. So that's 17 over 4. That's how I add or subtract fractions. So the next one, 6 over 5 minus 8 over 1. Multiply the bottom. 5 times 1 is 5. Cross multiply the top. 6 times 1 is 6. Minus in the middle. 8 times 5 is 40. So that's a negative 34 over 5. But remember, these were fractions. So now what I do, make a fraction bar. Outside numbers go on the top. 17 times 5 is 85. Inside numbers go on the bottom. 4 times negative 34 is negative 136. Now 85 and 136 do not have anything in common that you can divide those by. So all I'm going to do is take this negative and put it out front. It really doesn't matter. It could stay on the bottom. And I'm going to have my answer. Okay, so on the first one, it's already simplified. 3 over 2. The second one, I have 3/5 minus 1 over 1. Multiply the bottom. 5 times 1 is 5. Cross multiply the top. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus in the middle. 1 times 5 is 5. So my 3/2 for the first fraction stays like it is. Second fraction is going to be negative 2 over 5. Because 3 take away 5 is negative 2. Now I do the top bottom. So 3 times 5 is 15 on the top. On the bottom, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. That doesn't simplify, so I'm just going to move the negative out front. But again, that's optional. It could stay on the bottom technically. Okay, that one's done. Numerator is 1 over 1 plus 3 over 4. Multiply the bottom. 1 times 4 is 4. Cross multiply the top. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus in the middle. 3 times 1 is 3. That's 7 over 4. This next one is 1 over 1 minus 10 over 3. Cross multiply the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. Multiply the bottom. Cross multiply the top. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus in the middle. 10 times 1 is 10. 3 take away 10 is negative 7 over 3. That's my fraction. Now I do the outside on the top. 7 times 3 is 21. The inside on the bottom. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. Okay, that can be simplified. I'm going to move the negative out to the front and divide both of these by 7. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And negative 3/4 is the answer for that one.